In this tutorial, we're going to look at leave management in RosterMate. We'll cover how employees request leave using the mobile app and how admins review and approve leave.
To start the process, an employee will request leave using the RosterMate mobile app on their phone. The employee will go to the Leave tab. Tap the plus button to create a new leave request. Select a leave type. Choose the start date, which is the first day they will be away. Choose the end date, which is the day they return. Enter a reason for the leave, and optionally upload a supporting document, such as a medical certificate. Once the employee submits the request, no further action is needed from them. As soon as a leave request is submitted, admins will see it inside of RosterMate. Go to the Leave Management page. Here, you'll see a leave calendar showing all the leave across the calendar. You can click directly on any pending leave in the calendar. When you do, you'll see all the days that request covers highlighted. Alternatively, you can go to the Pending Requests tab and manage requests from there. When reviewing a leave request, you can adjust the start date or end date and change the leave type if needed. But the most important part here is making sure the correct number of paid hours is entered for each day. For example, Sean has requested 2 weeks of leave. He normally works Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That means Sean is at work for 8 hours per day. Under New Zealand law, he has one unpaid 30-minute break. So Sean should be paid 7.5 hours per day. To do this, set the hours to 7.5, left-click each Monday to Friday across both weeks. If you make a mistake, right-click a selected day to remove it, or use the Clear All button to reset the calendar. Once everything looks correct, click Save Changes. After saving, you'll see the leave turn green on the calendar. You'll also see the number of paid hours clearly shown for each day. It's important to note, filling this calendar out manually works, but it can be slow. In the Workday Patterns tutorial, we show how to define an employee's regular working days and paid hours so RosterMate can automatically fill this calendar for you. That automation saves a significant amount of time. Approving unpaid leave. Sometimes an employee may request leave even though they don't have enough leave balance. If you still want to approve the time off as unpaid leave, approve the request but leave the hours blank. This tells the employee their leave is approved, but it will not tell payroll to pay annual leave or sick leave. Blocking leave on specific days. If too many people are requesting leave at the same time, you can block days off. On the Leave Management page, use the Add Block Day button. Blocked days prevent employees from submitting new leave requests on those dates. Admins can still manually create leave if needed for those days. Along the same lines, you can set a minimum advance notice. Go to Settings, then the General tab in the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can set a minimum advance notice, for example, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. This means employees cannot apply for leave unless it is at least that far in advance, in line with your company policy. That covers leave management in RosterMate,
How employees request leave using the mobile app, and how admins review and approve leave.
In the next tutorial, we'll continue building on this by looking at Workday Patterns and how they automate leave and public holidays even further.